GCI rocking chairs. And so I got the Pod Rocker, and I want to show you how easy it is to set up. It does come in its own carrying case, which is always handy. Simply just pull it out. After we take it out of the bag to set it up, all we've got to do is just pull and push. We pull on the back, boom, we're ready to go. We're ready to pack it up. All we've got to do is pull it together. And just like that, it's ready to go back in the bag so we can carry it to our next destination. What I like about the shape is the pod design. It comes up around me, and so it's nice and comfortable, but it also rocks. I love to work outside, and this is a comfortable position. I can have my laptop here. I've got some arm support if I put it here. Not only is it great for home use, but this is great when we go to sporting events or even to the beach. Overall, we've been very happy with our GCI rockers, so I hope you found the review helpful.